Hello families, hi everybody. My name is Antoinette Hunter. I am a teacher and a developmental intervention specialist. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, you are very welcome. So on this channel, I will be working with families, meaning with you guys, talking to children and families with disabilities, kids with developmental delays, children that just want to learn, children in a regular classroom, families that are having challenges with behavior challenges at home with their children, families that are dealing with stress, and also we are going to be talking about our entire families in general. So if this is your first time, you're very welcome. But remember, it's a new channel, so I'm taking it one day at a time. That's why I'm asking for your support. And I want to take this time to thank all of my supporters, those that are following me, those that are supporting me. God bless you. I am so grateful for your support. I'm so grateful for some of your comments, your personal text of encouragement, your prayers. I really appreciate it. On this video, I am going to give you secret to get your child to play with toys purposefully. Now, how do you do that? You want your child to be able to imitate, play actions, and engage in basic problem-solving skills. Okay? So if your child has a car, for example, and the child is only looking at the wheels of the car and spinning the car, do you think that a child is playing with the car purposefully? No, that's not purposeful play. You want the child to be able to push the car, roll the car, make sounds with the car, put stuff inside if it's a truck. You want to see them engaging we want to see them engaging in a purposeful play. If you are a mom, a dad, or a caregiver, you might be saying that, oh, you know what, I'm not going to be able to have time to do this. But I want to give you very easy way on how you can implement strategies that would help to improve your child's ability to play with toys purposefully. You want to use curriculum-based approach to increase attention for imitation, as well as floor time approach to increase desires for interactions. So what you're going to do is to incorporate curriculum approach. You might be saying that curriculum what? Curriculum what? Curriculum approach? Yes, it's very easy. It's a very easy way of doing things. Now, what is curriculum approach? It's a way of doing, creating, designing, and thinking about a curriculum. Really thinking about what you want to do, how you want to implement the strategies, and the ways you want to carry on the technique and strategies that you want to provide to this child to help improve their skills in the areas where they're lacking, or to meet up that developmental milestone. Okay, got that? Okay, that's not so difficult, right? Now, to make your curriculum approach very easier for you, you want to implement a hand-over-hand technique in everything that you do with children, if needed or when needed. So use a hand-over-hand to guide them. Use rewards for motivation. You can use lots of repetition just to help redirect them, because when a child is younger than 3 years old, they need a lot of redirecting, especially when you know they're having difficulties performing the task. You want to make sure that you make that your priorities. Next, you want to incorporate basic sensory strategies into their play. It will help increase their attention span. Let me tell you something. If you are working with a child that's a runner, the child is not able to sit down to do anything, that child is giving you a hard time kicking, and the child likes sensory, sensory is magical. Now, you need to understand your child and know what they like. If they are sensory seekers, you can get them to do what you will never anticipate that they will do on their own. You will get them to do what you want them to do in their world. You place that sensory play. For example, if you want your child to be able to sit down and do puzzle, put the sensory activity, put the puzzle in the sensory. It could be rice. Have a bin, sensory bin for them. Put it in the rice and let them search for it. And then when they find the puzzle, you say, yay. If it's a cow, you say, cow, moo. Place it on your face, in front of, under your chin, your mouth, so your child can read your lips and say, moo, yay. Follow along with praise and put the puzzle in there. Then you cheers for them with lots of praise. Get excited. Sometimes I want to do high five. If the child likes hugs, you give them nice, big, squeezy, loving hug. It gets them excited. It motivates them. And it makes them want to do even more. Right? Now, the next thing you want to do with that too is also to do a lot of tactile play, like Play-Doh. It could be clay, it could be Play-Doh. I personally, for kids that like slimy stuff, I use aloe vera because it's safe. I have one of my videos that I showed you guys how to use aloe vera for sensory play. You can take a reflection and watch that video. It's great for you to actually see how you can incorporate that into your child's developmental session with just you and your child. Another thing you want to do, you want to include silly, frolic play such as tickles. You want to tickle them? Some kids like tickles. When you, for instance, if they do something, say you're playing with them and you're doing a basic puzzle with them, or you're asking them to place objects in a container, you do it and they do it. When they do it, follow along with tickle for your praise. If they like to get ticklish, good job. Yay! You can do chasing them, looking for them. Hi, is Maya under the table? I'm just making up these names. I'm not working with any of the names I'm using. I'm not working with the kids, okay? Well, I'm just making up the names. Maya, is Maya under the table? Where is Maya? Oh, I see you. Pretend play. Maya is right here. Maya is sitting right on the chair. You want to get them excited to communicate because that's what you're trying to build, right? Now, the next thing is then you want to use a lot of sounds, make silly sounds, exaggerated sound. You want to do peekaboo. Kids love peekaboo. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. Have a blanket if you want to in front of you and you can have 2 little blankets, cover it on your face and take it off. Kids like that kind of crazy stuff, but it makes them excited and they want to imitate and repeat what you're saying. You want to use song. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. The kids love that. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and let them complete the word, okay? You don't want to force them into play. And you don't want to force them in, you don't want to pressure them to join in all the silly sound. Just do the sound and eventually they'll join you. If they don't join you, the more you do it, one day they'll do it. I don't know how long it'll take. If you're playing with cars, whatever you do, you're making the sound, you're pushing the cars. Push is going under the tunnel. Under, up, 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 down. So if you want your child to follow directions, depending on the developmental need of that child, For instance, you want to use arms up, arms down. Swing, 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 stop. Simon says sit. You model sitting down. Simon says stand. You model standing up. Simon says sit. Simon says stand. So Simon says arms up, arms on your head, hands on your head. You do it. You just keep doing different things to get them excited. Bath time, you want to use a lot of deep hugs. You want to do massages. You want to do nice squeezy that are kind of like enjoyable for the child. You will know if they enjoy it because they'll be doing a lot of smiling and excitement. You see a lot of smiling. You know how our babies communicate when they like something. You know your babies better, so you will know how they feel and how they communicate. Or if you're a provider, you know what the child likes and what the child doesn't like based on the response of the child. I hope that this really helps. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's the only way I can continue to grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.